Hello friends, welcome back. Today I will discuss about the new game Fast Brain. Are you weak in mathematics? Do you want to do mathematics faster? Mathematics is everywhere wherever you go. Whether you do shopping, engineering, science, technology, business or anything is always related to mathematics. It is always good to be strong in mathematics. This game, Fast Brain, will help you become stronger in mathematics. You can practice mathematical operations. You can take quizzes in mathematics. You can compete with your friends and share your results with your friends to inspire them. The benefits of playing this game are increase in speed of doing mathematical calculations, increase in competence level, correction in mistakes of mathematical calculations. First, go to this link and click the start button. You will be asked to enter your name. You can enter any name for your avatar. Choose your avatar also. The game introduction will give you a very short introduction of why to play this game. What are the benefits? Let's go through it. You can skip the introduction if you want by clicking the skip introduction button at the bottom. After the introduction is over, the main menu will be shown. This is the main menu. Here you can see your name and avatar. You can choose to play by any of the three different methods. You can play alone or you can compete with your friends even though they are not with you right now, means they are far away from you. Or you can practice. If you want to play alone, click single player button. The game will start providing the questions. You have to answer before the time limit reaches 0. When you provide a wrong answer, the game will be over and you have to start again. When you provide the right answer, it will throw you the next question. You can mute or enable the audio here. You can enter your answer by two types of input. Either you can answer as a multiple choice question or you can enter your answer. What you see here is the list of world records. Your name and score are shown in blue color and all others are from the top players who already played this game. When your score is in the 5 best scores, your name and score will be shown to everyone playing this game. You can hide or collapse this display by clicking this arrow button so that only your name will be shown. When you lose the game will show the results. You can see your position against the world records. Either you can play the game again or you can share the results. To share the results, you can press the share results button. You will get 3 options. You can share through WhatsApp, mail or Facebook. You can see the related games here and play those if you are interested in playing those games. If you set a world record and your position is within the top 3, your name and score will be shown to everyone playing this game. To change the settings, go here and you can choose whichever operations you want to play among addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can enable or disable them. The ones in green color are enabled and the ones in grey color are disabled. You can set the range of numbers here. You can set both positive and negative numbers. After each question, the game will wait for our answers for some time. You can change the waiting time here. When you want to answer faster, keep lesser number of seconds or change the number of seconds based on your convenience. You can set difficulty level here. After every answer, the game will inform you whether the answer is right or wrong through audio. You can disable the result audio here. When you are training, if you give a wrong answer, the game will give you the right answer also when this result audio is enabled. You can change the avatar and player name here if you want. Go back to the main menu by clicking this button. To play with your friends, go to multiplayer and invite your friends. Invite them by sending the invitation link through WhatsApp, mail or Facebook. Your friends can click the link they receive and they can click the join button. When your friends join, then you will get an intimation to start the competitions. Any number of your friends can join the competition. To start the competition, press the Start Race button so that the competition between you and your friends would start at the same time. Both of your scores will be updated real time. You can see other scores here. When one of them lost the game, it will show in the other person's screen also that their friend lost the game. However, the friends can play the game again and their scores will be set to 0. When you get the results, you can share the results by clicking the Share Results buttons, or you can play again. You can play the related games also. If you want to practice, go to Training by clicking the Training button. Here you will be given the question and there will be no timer. The game will wait for your answer, and when the answer is given, the game will ask you the next question. When you give the wrong answer, the game will give you the right answer also. If you want to see all your scores, you can see them here. You can see scores for all the games you have played so far. This will provide the list of scores. You can share all your scores by clicking the Share Scores button. You can even keep your scores as WhatsApp status also. I hope this game, Fast Brain, is useful for you. Share it with your friends. Play with your friends. Be strong in mathematics. Thank you, friend.